Welcome to mechanical.com. In this video, we are going to create this 3D model with the help of its drawing. So let's start with the drawing. This is the drawing. See, in the top face, there are two circles. The outer circle has a diameter of 65 millimeter and the inner circle has a diameter of 20 millimeter and the total height is 48 millimeter. Also, this slot has a thickness of 28 millimeter and the distance is 68 millimeter. Also, this distance is 10 millimeter and this width is 18 millimeter and this height is 32 millimeter. Also, in this face, there are two circles. The outer circle has a diameter of 60 millimeter and the inner circle has a diameter of 25 millimeter and the total width is 50 millimeter. Also, this slot is 30 millimeter and the distance from this center to this center is 140 millimeter. So these are the dimensions. It seems to be a little complex, but no worries. Go to Solidworks, open a new part file, click OK. Change the IPS system into MMGS system. Now select the top plane and sketch. Draw a center rectangle. Go to Smart Dimension and this length is 65 millimeter and this height is 140 millimeter. Now go to Features, Extruded Boss Base, select your midplane and type 60 millimeter. Now click OK. Select right plane and sketch. Draw a corner rectangle. Go to Smart Dimension. The vertical distance is 28 millimeter and this distance is 90 millimeter. Go to Features, Extruded Cut and select here through all both. Now see, click OK. Now select this top face and sketch. Draw a vertical center line. Escape. Go to Smart Dimension. From this point to this line, the distance is 18 millimeter. Now go to Offset Entities. Type here 15 millimeter. Select this center line and check this bi-directional. Click OK. Go to Line Command. Choose a line and close this geometry. Same on this side. Now go to Features, Extruded Cut and select here through all. Click OK. Now select this upper face, press the Ctrl key and select this bottom face. Go to Reference Geometry and select here Plane. See, now click OK. Now select this plane, go to Sketch and draw a circle. From this center, go to Smart Dimension. The diameter is 65 millimeter. Go to Features, Extruded Boss Base. Select your midplane and type 48 millimeter. See, click OK. Now Again select this face and sketch. Draw a circle. See this plus icon and draw a circle. Go to Smart Dimension. Diameter is 20 millimeter. Go to Features, Extruded Cut. Select here through all. Click OK. Now right click on this plane and hide. Now select the right plane and sketch. Draw a circle. Go to Smart Dimension. Diameter is 60 millimeter. Go to Features, Extruded Boss Base. Select your midplane and type 50 millimeter. Click OK. Now select this face and sketch. Draw a circle. Put the cursor on this point and you will see this plus icon. See? Draw a circle. Dia is 25 millimeter. Go to Features, Extruded Cut. Select here through all. Click OK. See, our part is complete. Now for the appearance, select the whole part. Go to Appearances and select any color you want. I am selecting this color. I am selecting this color. Click OK. Control 7. See, our part is complete. I hope you liked the video. If you liked, hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel for more videos.